What do you want me to do? Stand in, breathe.
You just carry on. Just act natural, pal. You act natural.
Alright.
Oh dear.
Keep up.
Okay, in today with us, we have a BMW 330 convertible. So this is in to have the front bumper repaired and painted, just for sort of stone chip damage. Mark is now on the case, removing the said bumper.
I've got it out.
Oh, he's got it out. He's got his screw out. So we're just taking everything off, stripping all the bumper, and then it'll be repaired and painted. Oh, and we'll keep you informed as we go along.
3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Oh, well done there, James. Pretty well there, James.
Well no on front, please.
Okay, James.
So what's the damage on this one then?
What do you think you come up to me for, mate? No. Go! Tell us what you're doing, Mark.
Right, I'm rubbing the bumper down for stone chips. 180 on a DA. And yeah, so we can hybrid prime it all. Rub that down so we've got a flat surface again. That should come out like a brand new one.
Lovely.
That's what we're aiming for anyway.
You're ready to prime it.
Yeah, we're going to hybrid prime it.
And this gent, who will be priming it? Will it be this man right behind us here?
He's going to try priming it.
He'll give it a go.
Yeah. Good looking bloke, you know?
Bit of a funny walk.
Good looking bloke.
James.
Action, right, we've got the BMW front bumper in spray room now, all ready for some high wheel primer. We'll put some plastic primer on, and then we're going to hit it with a high wheel
Superb.
before we get it out in the spray room.
Hi there! Hi!
Follow these fools.
Hi! Go on then, pal. Tell us the story.
Well, that's the story. The Balamori. I've just rubbed down the primer on here.
Well done.
Thank you. With 500 on a DA, and then I've done all the edges with a 500 pad, and I've got put some stopper in a few little areas, and then it's all ready to be painted.
Lovely jubbly. And that'll be over to young James, won't it?
Over to James,
Yeah.
straight in the oven there where it keeps warm.
Slap a bit of paint on.
Yeah.
Hold the gun and pull the trigger, mate.
That's the way. So yeah, that's the story in Balamori, you know.
We're now in the spray booth with the BMW 330 front bumper after it's been all primed, and then James has just put like a drop coat over the top of the bumper, and now.
Now I'm going to put a proper paint on.
There's going to put a bit more paint on.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Okay, mate. Cool. Lovely. James baby, where are we with the bump now then?
The BMW bumper is now all based up, all the priming's covered. I've checked the colour and it's spot on. So I'm all ready to go.
I'm jumping. Woohoo! Come back! Okay, looks like we're nearly done now, James.
Nearly there. All painted, all fitted back on. Just a little bit of polishing to do, any small imperfections. And then we're ready to go.
A couple of bits to refit on the end.
Yeah,
on the looks
yeah,
of it, and
just
then
a couple of wash and jet covers to pop back in, and a toe and eye. And then we're there.
Lovely.
Back to another happy customer.
Oh, mate, always.
Lovely time.